Legends of Learning presents The Fox Balance of Power game. This is a history game that makes learning about branch interaction fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, use the mouse to click to drag and release the arrow to launch the balls to complete tasks, to learn more about the different branches of government and how laws are maintained in the country. Read interesting facts about the balance of power in the government and the different functions that government has in maintaining law and order in the system. Complete each minigame to move on to the next level to learn more about legislative, executive, and judicial powers of government. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.